Welcome to our new home. It's obviously not at the beach, but it is very close. So firstly, I want to apologise to you guys for the delay in getting this moving in story out there. There is a really good reason. I promise you will find out soon. Just in case you're new, my name is Charlie, this is my husband Tom, and before 2020 happened, on this channel I created longer, more immersive travel adventures, which there are a couple of actually coming quite soon, so make sure you are subscribed. And welcome to the Fleurieu Peninsula in South Australia. Anyway, before we get stuck into showing you our new location, let's go back to where the story began. It's officially moving day. So we've now jumped back in time. We picked up the van this morning, we're moving, we've got lots of friends helping us. Oh, it's a bit bright. And we've got a little van behind us. And we're taking most of the big furniture. Somehow we've acquired loads of stuff. We never had loads of stuff, but now we do, like sofas and fridges and beds and adulting, seriously. So we're almost packed up. What we're doing is taking a van load and a car load down because obviously we need to empty the house to be able to deep clean it. I literally am so excited to be moving. We're gonna be by the beach. It is a little bit sad though because this is our first like house together as a married couple and we're leaving. Which one's the front door? Ready, and here we go.
There we go.
Oh, yay! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness! Our new house! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yay, our new house! I can't believe we're gonna be here for a year.
Yep, at least a year.
At least a year! This is like the longest we've ever been in one place. I'm so excited. We're gonna just walk around and see. I'm literally so excited. Oh my god. We actually have our own ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're back in Berri again because we basically have a few more bits to pack up and we have to do a deep clean and we've got some other commitments that we have to do this week, so we had to come back for that. You may be wondering why we're moving again. It's because the house we're in got sold. So we just thought it was a perfect opportunity to relocate down to the coast. I'm so excited.
Do it before summer.
Yeah, just before summer, because apparently the weather here in summer is pretty harsh. It's about like 50 degrees.
Can get 50.
50 degrees.
Usually around 40.
I don't think I'd be able to cope with 50 degrees. Also forgot to mention that we're now officially camping in our living room. This is our setup because we moved all of our big furniture on our sofa and on the table and everything, so yeah.
Fridge over there.
The fridge, everything's gone, so we've officially just got our camp chairs and our like camp freezer. We're living out of an esky for like our milk and stuff, and yeah, that's happening. So today we are packing the rest of our stuff up, we are deep cleaning, so cue the deep cleaning montage. Go. What are you doing? It's day 2 of deep deep cleaning and packing the house. We are getting the trailer packed up. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult because we're obviously still living here, so we're trying to pack and clean around living, but since this is officially our last day, our last night, it's getting a bit easier now, so we can pretty much deep clean everywhere. Because we packed both of the beds, we've literally been sleeping in a swag. By the way, just in case you guys don't know, and you can't really see very well because obviously I've got loads of sheets on it, but a swag, for those of you that don't live in Australia, swag is basically like a mattress, although we've got 2 mattresses, encased in a like leather kind of case that you then can zip up. Because I had no idea before my very first camping trip in Australia. In fact, it was the very first trip that I met Tom on. I had no idea what a swag was. Everyone's like, oh, we're sleeping swags out in the bush. I'm like, what the hell is a swag? I wanted to get a little bit of footage of us in our swag to show you kind of what they look like. You kind of have this like thing that you get into, and like, oh look, mine's covered in dirt, and then you get in your sleeping bag. This is what you sleep in, apparently, to protect you from the snakes. I don't think it does. Well, it makes you feel a little bit better, I suppose. And then you have like this kind of flap thing here that you kind of put over your head if it like rains and stuff, but again, really. So yeah, that is what a swag is. It's basically like heavy duty sleeping bag scenario that you sleep in and you can kind of zip up, and yeah. It's kind of cool. It's so cozy when you go camping and you feel all safe because you're all tucked in and zipped up, and then the snakes can't get you, in theory. So this is the current situation of our living room. Still a lot of stuff we need to sort out. Need to finish packing up all the kitchen and then deep clean the kitchen. Hey Roo, what are you doing?
Slowly getting things together, Charlie.
Slowly getting things together.
Yeah, it's tricky now. All those little things we've got to try and fit in somewhere.
Yeah, it's all the little odd bits that are kind of left, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, you know, fishing rods, obviously.
And we've got to wrap it for rain. Apparently it's going to rain.
Apparently it's going to rain, great. It's our last night. So we thought we would bookend our last night with our first night by having takeaway noodles. Nothing to do with the fact that we've deep cleaned the kitchen and can't cook anything, and we've packed up all of our crockery, but you know. You're feeling hungry?
Yeah.
Singapore noodles.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Before you start eating, you need to get your affairs in order because there ain't nothing happening afterwards.
We are also doing the same thing we did on the first night. We brought the swag into the living room, except the only difference is this time the fire is not lit because it is summer and it is boiling. Well, it's not boiling, it's about 32 degrees. It's still pretty warm.
Yeah.
Camping in the living room.
With the aircon.
It's all empty. Empty house. We're all done, packed, ready to go. So we're now jumping back to present time, and since we've been in our little place for a couple of weeks now and we've got it all set up, I thought I'd give you a really quick little tour. Okay, so we have this dining room open plan kitchen area with a breakfast bar. And then this is our living room. Oh, let me show you this. I got this sign at the market the other day and I thought it is perfect for Tom. By the way, I have the blinds closed because it's really, really warm outside, so it keeps some of the sunlight out. And look how well Louis is doing. I don't know if you remember Louis and Emmental. I got them during like lockdown in March, and look how long and how big. Look, this is amazing. Emmental is doing so well. I'm going to have to repot him today actually because he's got too big. Also, Shu, we've been influenced. We bought ourselves an air fryer today. And then this is the master bedroom, which you've kind of already seen before, but now it's like all set up. We've got all our clothes set up in there. Our bathroom's kind of all set up. This is our spare room. We've got the big freezer fridge at the moment for when Tom gets all the squid. This is our guest room. We haven't really got it set up yet. That is Christmas. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for Christmas. Main bathroom and shower, toilet and sink area, laundry, and then my new office. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. So I finally got an actual proper desk instead of using a trestle table. So now I have a kit prep area, which is amazing. I haven't got it all like properly set up yet, but I will do. Everything is organized. If we go through, I'll show you the garden really quickly. And this is our little garden. We have a shed at the back there, so we have a nice amount of outdoor space, which is good. Anyway, it has been way too long since I've uploaded, so I haven't chatted to you guys in the comment section for ages. I miss you. Tell me what you're up to. Come and have a chat because I want to know what's going on and what I've missed. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you don't miss anything, because it is not like I have an upload schedule, so you don't want to miss any of my adventures. And I will see you all very soon.